Welcome to another video in series of Audi A2 videos. In this video I will show the problems that are happening with the central convenience unit, CCU unit on Audi A2, and the symptoms are usually there are some problems with interior lights, windows do not work, or as you have just heard, the car automatically locks itself. So I will now unlock it. I will open the door and close it back, and if we wait around 30 seconds, the car will automatically lock. This is a problem with this CCU unit that goes faulty, and I will also show how you can check this with the diagnostic equipment. Let's just wait a few seconds so that it locks again automatically. I have unlocked the car, opened the doors, closed them back, and the car should not lock automatically, and it locked. So the CCU unit is stationed below in driver's footwell. So this is here and it looks like this. As you can see, this is the version AE, and it is one of the newest versions, so you need to be very careful if you buy a new unit, because they are not the remote controls are not compatible between the units. The newer units support different frequencies, so you will not be able to use the remote control. So I will now take the old unit out. Let me just set the camera and I'll show you how to take it out. So as I said, the unit is below driver's footwell on left-hand drive car. So let me just remove this one, and now we need to just put this up, and here we have access into the place where the CCU unit is, and this is here. So I will just open these three clamps. That's it, and now we can take this cover off. And as you can see, here are quite a lot of modules. For example, this is the CCU unit, and below it is the ECU unit for the engine. As you can see, my version is N, so this is one of the old one, and you need to really check that you have the correct unit, the correct version, if you would like to replace it. So to check if with the diagnostic tool, if the unit is faulty, we need some sort of diagnostic tool. I have, for example, VCDS. It's this one, this cable, and this cable goes into the diagnostic port, which is here down. So I have connected it. Here I have the computer. I will just turn it on, and of course the ignition must be turned on. So that's it, the ignition is turned on. Let's wait for the computer to turn on, and we will be able to check the CCU unit via diagnostic tool. If the CCU unit is faulty, you need to send it for repair, or you need to replace it. There are two options, or that's it. So let's check. Okay, so here is the diagnostic software. It's VCDS, and I will check select, and we'll go, the unit is 60, the module is 64, central convenience, and it is connecting. So it's interesting that even if the unit is N, its software version is K, so that's interesting. So now let's go for the fault codes, and we can see here that the central module for convenience unit for central convenience faulty. So this is this dreadful fault. I have also a fault in the rear left door, because there is a problem with the locking mechanism, but this is a different problem. So this will need to be solved differently, but this is the major problem with this unit. So that's it. I will just go off, and now I will replace this unit because I bought this second unit just to use it so that the car would be usable also when I will send the original CCU unit for repair. So I bought this different unit. I will not be able to use the remote control, but everything else should work. So let's try it if this unit works. So to take out the unit, you need to be very careful not to break any pins. You just press here down, press this down. There are two pins that you press them towards front. So this is the first one and the second one, and the unit just easily goes out. That's it. And now we need to disconnect the cables. As you can see here, you just press these pins and take them out. The second pin here, 1, 2, 3 pins. You need to be careful not to break anything. So that's it. And of course I deactivate the ignition must be deactivated. So that's it. The second one and also the last one. You need to press this pin down, and then it easily goes out. So this is my old CCU unit. I will send it for repair, and let's install the new unit. So that's it. This one goes here, and if I remember correctly, these you just gently push them in and they should go in. Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's start with this one. Just gently push them in and they should just click. That's it. So I will also put this unit back to the original position. So you just press it here, and now just gently press it down. That's it. It's done. It is in. And now I will put the cover back. Let's put the cover back here. Needs to go first here below this, and then you just find the holes. That's it. And just click it so that this pins lock the unit, the cover. Okay, that's it. And now let's put this cover down. Just remove a little bit. That's it. And here you need to press it like this. Okay, here, and let's put the rubber back in. Okay, that's it. So now we have now I have replaced the CCU unit with the new one, AE version. So now let's check with the diagnostic equipment if there are any trouble codes. I will put the ignition on, turn the ignition on, because this needs to be done. That's it. And now let's go to the module 46 and check again if there are any trouble codes. Probably there will be a trouble code for the left rear doors. Let's just wait. As you can see, there is now a version AE. It's not K as it was before. And let's check. So the CCU unit faulty trouble code has went away, and only rear left door are faulty. This is okay because this needs to be repaired. So this is it. I will send the unit back, and now let's just verify. Let us just verify now that the car doesn't automatically lock itself after the. So I need to use the keys. So the car is locked, and now I have unlocked it. Open the door, close it, and let's wait now around 30 seconds if the doors will lock automatically, but they should not, because this unit is not faulty. So I will send my old unit for repair. After I get it back, I will put it in, and hopefully everything everything will work okay. As I said, there are some symptoms. If the unit is faulty, the central locking works strangely, as in my case it auto-locked. The doors maybe do not work, windows locking interior lighting, and there can be a problem with it, and so on. So if this is happening, most probably the problem is this CCU unit, because this is a factory default, factory fault. It looks like the quality of this unit, these units is not okay. My car already had this unit replaced, because if you paid attention, you could see that it was made on 2009. The date was 2009, although the car is 2000. So the unit was already replaced, but also this replaced unit is faulty. So as you can see here, I'm talking now around 1 minute, and the doors did not lock automatically. So this unit is okay. So after I get that unit back, I will just probably sell this or just have it for a backup. I cannot pair, usually you can pair the remotes to this new unit, but I cannot pair it because, as I said, this unit has a different frequency. There is a difference between, I think, the year of change was 2002 or 2003, where the units changed and the frequency for the remote changed. Thank you for watching. Bye.